As you can see, gang, price broke above 0.382. Like I said, you could have entered at 0.618. When price shows us this morning star pattern ran black candlestick star and then yellow candlestick, breaking this lower low, letting us know price is making higher highs now. Breaks structure, breaks this downtrend, breaks this lower low, and then makes a higher high. Then we could have entered right here at 1922, or you could have waited for price to go to zero point 0.5 and entered at 1926. 1927 and price broke above 0.382, and now it's at 1933. Next level, Fibonacci level is 0, and then 27 extension. And you could have pushed your take profit, modify your take profit to like 1942, 1943. So when price does get up here, boom, as they'll probably just go all the way up here real fast before heading back down. Modify or take profit. So when price gets up to 1943, 1942, boom, it'll automatically hit you out the trade. And if you have 1, 2, 3 trades going on right now, when price gets to 1942, you just made 2,000, 3,000 right there. That trade, boom, you're out the trade. Just like that. And now you just made 3,000 for the day. So it's possible, to make money in this market. You have to have a trading strategy. And the more that you trade, you'll become more confident. I've just been trading this market for a while, for 3 years now. So I just know I'm more confident. I'm very confident about what price should do. I think price was made a higher high, they made a higher low back down to 1922. And before this was 0. But we draw our Fibonacci from 1915. Price should go all the way to 27 extension, 1945. This is 1938 at 0. Price is heading back up there soon. So we will have our take profit, or modify our take profit to like 1942. Or you could you can hold on this trade and try to ride this all the way up and see what price goes at. I just modified it, my trade to 1942. And this is what I would do. I have my take profits already set up to 1942. So when price gets to 1942, it'll automatically take profit. And then, I got 2, 3 trades going on right now. And, when price gets to 1942, I just made 2, 3,000 for the day, in one night. And that's what I would do, gang, in this situation. So price, is in an uptrend. Price is making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. And I'll show you on the 4-hour as well. We're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend. Price going to 27 extension. And you can see it just went back down to 0.618. It touched right at this trend line before breaking back up, making a hammer pattern. And once price was making this hammer pattern and start pushing back in, you could have entered. And if price got in at 0.5, you could have entered. And you see this 4-hour candlestick letting that buyers are in control, pushing price up to 27 extension. And I'll show you on the daily as well. We're in an uptrend for the day. Let's go to the daily. You can see price is going up for the day. And candlesticks are above this trend line, and we're in an uptrend. Price was just making still in the uptrend. Price was making a higher high. They made a higher low back down to take profit 11, and now I'm making a higher high back up to take profit 13. And it might go to 1942. Just picture your take profit at 1942, 1943. Or you can try to ride this all the way up. Price might go even further than that. But we have our take profit at 1942. So when price goes up here, it'll just automatically hit our take profit. We already have it modified and once it goes to there, it'll just hit our take profit. And we just made 100, a couple thousand for the day. And that's what we would do, gang. That's what I would do in that situation. So you just have to be patient with it. You have to be patient with this move. Overall, we are still in an uptrend, overall. You know, we're still in an uptrend. You know, and this has to do with the fundamental news as well, of course. You know, and, you know, we could see gold still heading back up. You know, bulls are still look like they're in control. They want to push price back up to take profit 13. And then we might see price head back down and take profit 12 and then take profit 11. But for right now, price is going up. You know, we're still in this uptrend. And, you know, I just want to give you strategies on what I would have did in this live trade, you know. So I hope these videos help, gang. And we go back to the 15. Show you on the 15 as well. Go back. Cool, you know. So you see price is pushing up to 27 extension right now. Right up to zero. Next Fibonacci level 1938. And we should see price, you know, pushing all the past 1938 eventually, you know, and we already got our two entries in at 0.618 and 0.5. And now we're all the way in profit at prices at 1933. So I hope these help, gang. Study these videos. And just what I would have did in this trade, we should probably see, you know, gold heading all the way up to 1942, hitting our take profit around, you know, early London session. I mean, late London session around at least like 6 o'clock. It's 3:46 right now. So around like 6 o'clock, we should see gold going up to past zero, 1938, and hitting our take profit at 1942. You know, again, and we had a long position from here all the way up to at least 1942. This will be a 2.98 risk reward ratio, or, you know, the 27 extension, it will be a 3.32 risk reward ratio, 3.41 risk reward ratio. This is what we want, you know. And you could take profit right when price got up here, and you could also put your stop loss into profit, you know. So when price gets all the way up here, once price starts to head back down, you know, as price will, you know, will keep going higher and higher, it will head back down, you know, before continuing going higher and higher if it wants to. You know, if price can do anything, it'll hit our stop loss, boom, and we just took all profit. All of this is ours, you know, from 1923, 1926, all the way up to 1942, and, you know, hits our stop loss, and we took profits, a win-win trade for us. All right, gang, so I hope these videos help. Study these videos. All right, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.